welcome to Mama's Chinese Table. Today we're going to learn to make a very unique Chinese cold dish, century eggs. Like this. Some people call it preserved eggs or 1,000 years of eggs. It's very easy to prepare in 5 minutes. And sometimes, when you have a sudden friend gathering, this is one of the dish I will make. So I always have a pack at home just in case. Now let's start to make the dish. Here are all the ingredients we're going to need today. Of course, a pack of century eggs, then some soy sauce. I have about 3 tablespoons here, and some black vinegar, 1 tablespoon here, and the red pepper is very spicy. If you cannot take spicy food, you can skip this one. And some scallions and 3 cloves of garlic, and I also have some sesame oil here. Let's start to prepare them. Okay, first we're going to just wash the scallion, red pepper, and garlic. Then I'm going to chop it. For the century eggs, I'm going to use 4 this time. So you can see it is wrapped in the plastic. So you're going to just take it, tear it open, then crack open the eggs. You see, it's very unique color, right? And we're going to just go ahead to complete all the 3 eggs and cut into slices. Now let's prepare the sauce. Chop the scallion, garlic, and the red pepper. Like this, okay? Now we're going to add the sauce. Soy sauce, then vinegar, 2 tablespoons, then the sesame oil. It's about 1 tablespoon. So mix all this sauce. Let that sit. Some people like cilantro. If you like cilantro, you can also add cilantros into the dish. Let's slide the eggs. Just like that. So the texture is very unique. You can see it's like that. So 1 egg make into 4 slices. So arrange in a plate like this. Then we just add the sauce. The century egg cold dish. Century eggs cold dish. It's very quick and easy. Give it a try. I hope you'll like it. Now let's learn how to say this dish in Chinese. 凉拌皮蛋. Thank you for watching.